Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set a custom homepage in the Brave Beta browser on your mobile device. This feature allows you to open your favorite website immediately when you launch the browser. First, open the Brave Beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. After that, find the option labeled Homepage and tap on it. Next, choose the Custom option to allow you to enter the website of your choice. Then, type in the URL of the website you want as your homepage, such as google.com, and confirm your selection. This process ensures that every time you launch Brave Beta, you are taken directly to your preferred website without any extra steps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.